TV screens are measured on the diagonal. If we have a TV cabinet that is 56 inches long and 46 inches high, how large a TV could we put in the space if we leave 2 inches on all sides for the edging of the TV? And we're told to round to the nearest tenth. So the actual cabinet is 56 inches long, this length here, and 46 inches high, which is this length here. And of course the TV is inside the cabinet, but we went 2 inches along the entire edge of the TV. So if the cabinet is 56 inches long here, and this is 2 inches and this is 2 inches, then the length of the TV, this length here, would have to be 56 minus 2, or 52 inches. And the height of the TV, this length here, would have to be 46 inches minus 2 inches here, minus 2 inches here, which gives us 42 inches for the height of the TV. And this segment here is the diagonal of the TV, which is how the size of TVs are measured. Notice the diagonal cuts the TV, or the rectangle, into 2 right triangles, and therefore we can determine the length of the diagonal using the Pythagorean Theorem, which is c squared equals a squared plus b squared, where c is the length of the hypotenuse, this length here, and a and b are the length of the 2 legs. And it doesn't matter which one's a and which one's b. Let's let this leg be a and this leg be b. So using the Pythagorean Theorem, again, that states that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, we have c squared equals 52 squared plus 42 squared, which gives us c squared equals 52 squared is 2,704, 42 squared is 1,764, and the sum gives us c squared equals 4,468. And now because we want c, not c squared, we undo the squaring by taking the square root of both sides of the equation. And because we know c has to be positive, we only need the principal square root, or the positive square root, of 4,468. Simplifying, we have c equals the square root of 4,468, which we're asked to round to the nearest tenth. So going to the calculator, we enter the square root of 4,468, enter, and notice how there's an 8 in the tenths place value and a 4 to the right, indicating we round down, and therefore the length is approximately 66.8 inches. Which means the screen can measure up to 66.8 inches on the diagonal. I hope you found this helpful.